Hello friends. In last few videos we discussed about the physiographical division of India, and today we are going to discuss the physiographical division of Brazil. My friend, if you see this map of Brazil, that is the Brazil physical map of Brazil, then we come to know that this entire portion of Brazil, there we see some of the highlands, plateaus and small mountains. But one most important thing we come to realize that there is no certain big mountain, big or long mountains in Brazil. Whereas there is not no large plain region as well. Most of the area that we can see, that is highlands, plateau and the small hills. Even though Brazil has a huge coastline, but these coastline, the coastal plains, they are very restricted. So if you see this map, then we come to know that, like India, Brazil also divided physiographically in various parts. In short, Brazil physiographically divided into five major categories, and they are highlands, the great escarpments, the coastal regions, the plains, and the group of islands. So, from today onwards, we are going to study in details this physiographical division of Brazil. Let us start with the highlands. Highlands, it means what? The land which is located at a certain height. And if you see the physical map of Brazil, then we come to know that there are two important highlands in Brazil. If you see this map, towards south, the southern part of the Brazil is being occupied by a huge or large highland, and the northern part of the Brazil is also, we may find there are highlands. But if you see the southern part of the Brazil, if you see this map and the southern part of the Brazil, it differently described as this southern part of the Brazil is described as Brazilian Plateau, Brazilian Shield, or Brazilian Highlands. And this Brazilian Highlands and the Brazilian Highlands towards south, and towards north, the another small highlands is there, and that is Guiana Highlands. These Guyana Highlands and Brazilian Highlands made the core of South American continent. If you see this map, you easily come to know that towards north, the Guyana Highlands, and towards south, the Brazilian Highlands, and the slope of these two highlands is towards the center part of the Brazil. And that is why these two highlands create the core of North American continent. And this core is very important because this core is the home of one of the greatest river in the world, Amazon. So let us see one by one. Let us concentrate towards the Guyana Highlands first. My friends, the main part of the Guyana Highlands, that is in the Venezuela. Venezuela is the country which is located the northern side of the Brazil. And if you see, the most of the Guyana Highlands, that is in Venezuela. Some part in Guyana and very small parts come in Brazil. So these Guyana Highlands we can see from Venezuela to French Guyana, and in Brazil these some parts come in Brazil, and that part in the state of Roraima, Para and Ampa. Roraima, Para and Ampa, these three states that we can see at the northern part of the Brazil, and these Guyana Highlands come in these three states. After that, these important highlands of the Brazil located in the northern part of the Brazil. If you see the highest mountain in Brazil, that is Pico de Neblina. Pico de Neblina is the highest mountain in Brazil. That, or a mountain or a peak that we can see, highest peak in Brazil, the Pico de Neblina, which located at the northern part of the Brazil. This Pico de Neblina is the part of these Guyana Highlands. The height of the Pico de Neblina is 3014 meters. And this Pico de Neblina is the highest peak in Brazil. Did you know the highest peak in India? Just find out. So, this Pico de Neblina comes to the border, northern border of the Brazil, which in between the Brazil and the Venezuela, and this Pico de Neblina is exactly located at the border of Brazil and Venezuela. Then as we come towards south, and this southern part of the Brazil is occupied by Brazilian highlands or Brazilian shield or Brazilian plateau. This entire Brazilian highlands, if you see, the altitude of the Brazilian highlands is approximately 500 to 1000 meter. The average altitude of these Brazilian highlands is near about 500 to 1000 meter. But towards south and towards east, the altitude of the Brazilian highlands is more than 1000 meter. And because of that, if you see, the slope of these Brazilian highlands is towards north, and that slope, although it is a very slow and gentle slope, but this slope is not abrupt, and because of that, so many rapids and waterfalls which you may find at the Brazilian highlands. The Brazilian highlands, we will see the rapids and waterfall because of the uncertain slope. And this area, or from this region, the rivers flowing towards north, and they meet the Amazon there. Some river meets the Atlantic Ocean, and that is why we say majority of the tributaries of the Amazon flowing from this region as well. Then we can see a number of rivers, or the number of rivers take off from the terminal portion of these highlands and flow towards the North Atlantic Ocean. And some of the rivers, they are originating from Brazilian highlands and flowing towards the south and east, particularly the east, and they are Uruguay, Paraguay and Parana. These three rivers originate from the Brazilian highlands and flowing towards east. So this is the first physiographical division of Brazil, the highlands. Basically, the highlands, there are two major types of highlands that we can see: the Guiana highlands and the Brazilian highlands. Guiana highlands is located in the northern part of Brazil, and very small part of these Guiana highlands come in the state of Brazil, and particularly the states which occupy these Guiana highlands, they are Roraima, Para and Mampa. And the slope of the Guiana highlands is towards south, whereas the southern part of the Brazil is occupied by Brazilian highlands, and the slope of the Brazilian highlands is towards north. The general elevation of the Brazilian highlands is approximately 700 meter to 1000 meter. Sometime towards east, the height or the elevation of the Brazilian highlands is increased, and it is more than 1000 meters. And this is a very important part of a Brazilian physiography, and that we know the Brazilian highlands. After that, the second type of Brazilian physiographical division, and that is the Great Escarpments, that we discuss in the next video. Thank you.